Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with essentials. Be signed in as an administrator and keep your device powered. Unexpected shutdowns corrupt drivers. Once ready, plug in the USB device and note how Windows identifies it. Open Device Manager right away by typing its name in Start and choosing Run as administrator. This is the interface where you'll search, update, and roll back drivers. Make sure you can expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers or the specific device node before moving to the next step. Now locate the device entry, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. First try Search automatically so Windows checks Windows Update and its driver store. This is fastest. If that fails, choose Browse My Computer and navigate to a downloaded manufacturer driver folder you prepared earlier. Use the package from the device maker where possible because vendor drivers often provide stability and features beyond Microsoft's generic drivers. Once you select the correct INF file, finish by rebooting. Many driver installs require a restart to initialize the USB stack. After restart, check Device Manager for errors and test the peripheral to confirm functionality. If the new driver causes crashes or missing features, open the device properties and choose Roll Back Driver to revert to the prior version. If problems persist, install the latest chipset or USB controller drivers from your PC maker. These often fix low-level USB issues. Keep a copy of the working driver in case you need to restore it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.